A great mathematician, Sri Ramanujan, have the solution of sum of all natural numbers up to infinity and said that the sum of all natural numbers till infinity gives minus 1 over 12. It's a very strange and curious one. How it's possible? Normal person can understand adding natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, adding up to infinity. Of course, it gives infinity. Still, we are adding a positive natural numbers. Of course, the addition must be positive, but he gives a strange number that is minus 1 over 12. How it's possible? So sum of all natural numbers, first of all, it is an infinity. Also, the sum of all positive natural numbers is, of course, it's positive, but he gives it's a negative. It's a strange things. Let us discuss about this infinity series and as well we prove it. Look at here. First, write the given series first. First, let it be series 1. Let it be S1. That series is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 5, 6, like it goes up to infinity. Let it be the equation 1. Now, let the second series S2, let it be like 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, positive 1, negative 1, like up to infinity terms. It will be equation 2. We let this here, the given series is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to infinity. Then we let the second series S2 is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 like. Now, look at that series here. I took 1, this one, and minus, bracket start. If we take minus out, this signs changes. That is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. It goes to up to infinity. Now, look at here. What you understand here, after taking 1 out, it is inside as it is the S2, the series S2. So we can write this as, therefore S2 equal to 1 minus S2. From this equation, collecting one side, 2 S2 equal 1, which gives S2 equal to half. Now, further, again, let S1 equal, now let it be S3 now. S3 is a natural number, but changing sign, addition, subtraction, like 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7, like up to infinity. Let it be, this series is S3. Now, let this one is 3 equation. Now, S2 minus S3, look at S2 minus S3. What is your S2? S2 is here. S2, this series is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 infinity, minus S3 is 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus infinity, like this S2 minus S1. I write this one by one. Look at here, that is S2 is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. There is under I write here 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 infinity like. Then here subtracting, look at here, 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1 of minus 2 is 1, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, like it goes. So which gives S2 minus S3 equal 0, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 like infinity. That means subtracting this series one by one, we get this. Now already we have S2 is look at here. This one S2 minus S3. This series already we have this S3. Therefore S2 minus S3 equal, look at S3 here, this the same. Similarly, you are with 0 addition, but here 0 plus S3, that is S3. Now collecting S3 on side, that is S2 equal to 2S3, which gives S3 equal S2 by 2. And already we have S2 equal to half. Therefore, S3 equal S2 is therefore S3 can have S1 by 2, which is equal S3 equal to half, and because already S2 is half, 1 by 4. Now further we can use further one more time this look at here, rewrite one more time. S1 equal 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 infinity, that is equation 1. S3 is 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 5 minus 6, continue S2. Then subtracting S1 minus S3 equal, look at here, this 4, because 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus of 2 is 4, 4 plus 8 plus, because 4 minus of 4, that is minus of minus plus 4, plus 12, 16, 20, 24, like to infinity. Then take 4 common as this one is 1, 2 4s are 8, 3 fours are 12, 4 fours are 16, 5, 6. Now look at here, this 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is normal sum of natural number, which is equal 4s1. We have the relation now, s1 minus s3 equal to 4s1. Now 4s1 minus s1, that is 3s1, you can write it. 3s1 equal minus s3, that is 3s1 equal minus s3. Therefore, s1 equal minus 3 minus s3 over 3. But already we have s3 is here. 3s1 equal minus s3. Therefore, 3s1 equal minus 1 over 4, because already we got s3 is 1 by 4. Therefore, s1 equal minus 1 by 4 into 3. s1 equal minus 1 over 12. Therefore, we proved s1 equal 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to infinity is minus 1 over 12, such a strange answer. Now, where it is used? Here, normal man can understand that is normally addition of natural numbers up to infinity gives infinity, but it gives the strange answer minus 1 over 12. Normally, we are having 4 dimensions like length, breadth, height, as well the time. So, in this fourth dimension, we cannot understand this paradox is true here, but it may be fifth, sixth, n-dimensional world. It may be possibly easily. That means it may possible. Normal man can understand if they are in other dimensions as well. This is useful in physics like relative theory, Einstein's relative theory, as well in physics string theory. It is nowadays they are using this paradox. This series is useful in that. So such a strange things we solved. That means the famous mathematician gave this paradox. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.